So I have here a 2009 Subaru Forester. And I have installed a 2-inch lift kit from the Primitive Racing with the King Springs and KYB shocks. Also I paired it with the Subaru Cooper tires. They are a little bit bigger than the original size, which is 225 55 17, and I went with a little bit taller tires, which is 235 60 17, and I use stock rims. And for the stock 17-inch rims, that's pretty much as big tires as you can go, so you cannot put 65 or 70, so that's pretty much as far as you can go. As for the lift kit, it's performed really well, and the tires as well. I've taken it to the off-road trails of Arizona, Nevada and California, and it's done a really good job. I have not taken to the snow. Well, I'm living in Southern California and we have a really dry winter, so unfortunately I wasn't able to take it to the snow. Other than that, mud, gravel, snow, everything went very nice and smooth. While having those springs, what you're gonna have definitely a stiffer ride, but also you can put on the back, or you can put as much weight as you want to. The car will just have a nice straight stance. So the only thing which I'd like to point out, especially if you're living in Southern California and once in a while you're taking the car to the snow, you might have a little problem having the 17-inch tires, stock tires. So the problem is, as you know, even you have a 4-wheel drive, sometimes you're required to carry a snow chains with you, and the problem would be here. So on the back there is very little room to put any chains here, so pretty much I'm out of luck to have installed the chains. I guess the only thing I can do, I have to do something, maybe to cut it off half of there is a plastic cover here, maybe I need to cut it off and leave some room here. So this is my only option then, to try to put them on the back. In the front, I'm completely out of luck, because there is a very little room between the tire and the lower cup of the spring, so there's nothing I can do here. I cannot even squeeze my finger in there. My only option, I guess, would be to put a really huge wheel spacer, which I really don't want to do. It's going to push my tire too far out. So on the front, that's it. There's no way to put any chains. On the back, I still have a chance to work somehow. That's pretty much the only issue I have. So if you're gonna have same setup, that's the problem you're gonna have. Unless you want to go the 16-inch, then you're not gonna have that issue. So that's something you need to consider. Other than that, what the lift kit gave it to me, so my dead cat space is about 4 inches, and from the ground I'm basically 13 inches, so it's about what they promised it. I'm 2 inches higher than the stock Forester. So that's something you might to consider when you want to install the lift kit on this kind of a car. The job itself very simple. It does take 2 people to do it, and it takes about 2 hours, and you need basically a simple tool like ratchets and floor jack and stuff like that. So it's easy doable at daily drive. If you have any questions, send it, and thanks for watching.